Everyone says AI, but most people mean three different things: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. In the next few minutes, I'll make the difference so simple you'll never confuse them again. Here's the easiest way to remember it. AI is the big umbrella. Machine learning is one way to do AI. Deep learning is one type of machine learning. So it's like AI leads to ML leads to deep learning.
Part 1. What is AI? AI is any system that can do tasks that normally require human intelligence. That could mean understanding language, recognizing faces, playing chess, recommending videos, or driving a car. And here's the twist. Not all AI learns. Some AI is just rules. Example, if I code this, if it's raining, take an umbrella. If not, don't. That's not learning, that's rule-based AI. Old school chatbots work like this too, just if you say X, I reply Y. So, AI equals the goal, smart behavior, not a single method.
Part 2. What is machine learning? Learning from examples. Machine learning is when we don't write every rule manually. Instead, we show the computer examples and it learns the pattern. Think of it like teaching a kid using flashcards. Example, spam filter. You show it thousands of emails labeled spam or not spam. Over time, it learns patterns like suspicious links, repeated phrases, weird sender names, certain keywords. Now the model can look at a new email and predict spam or not spam. So, ML equals AI that learns from data instead of only fixed rules. Part 3. What is deep learning? Now, deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks, models inspired by the brain. The word deep literally means many layers. A simple neural network might have a couple layers. A deep one has lots of layers. Deep learning became huge because it's very good at learning from unstructured data, images, audio, video, text. Example, face recognition. Traditional ML might need handmade features like distance between eyes or shape of nose, but deep learning can learn these features automatically. It starts with simple patterns, edges and corners, then faces and shapes, then complete identities. Same with language. Deep learning is what powers modern voice assistants and chatbots. So, deep learning equals ML with big neural networks that can learn complex patterns. The simplest analogy. AI is the whole concept of making machines smart. ML is one approach. Let the machine learn from examples. Deep learning is the heavy-duty version of ML using neural networks. It's like transportation is AI, cars are ML, sports cars are deep learning. Or cooking is AI, recipes learned from experience are ML, Master Chef level patterns are deep learning. Quick real test segment. Let's do a quick test using a real example, your phone camera. When you click a photo and it instantly does face detection, portrait blur, scene recognition, food, night, sunset, that's usually deep learning working in the background. But if you set, if brightness less than 20, turn flash on, that's just a rule, not learning. So in real life, most modern AI products use a mix: rules for simple decisions, ML or DL for complex predictions. Recap. AI is the umbrella, machines acting smart. ML is AI that learns from data. Deep learning is ML using multi-layer neural networks, best for images, audio, and language. Next video, I'll explain training data, what it is, why it matters, and how it can make AI biased or accurate. Subscribe for daily tech snacks, short, clear, and useful.